Number 1. 1 over x plus 1 over y equals negative 1 half. 1 over x minus 1 over y equals negative 1 over 6. So, this problem is a system of equation with x and y denominator. So, first thing to do is to get rid of the fraction, this one. So, to get rid of the fraction, multiply the denominator x and y, or get the LCM of x, y. So, it would be x times y equals xy. So, then, after solving the xy, multiply the xy to the following fraction in the given, this one. Multiply this one. So, 1 over x times xy equals xy over x. Cancel the common term x, so the remaining one is y. Next is 1 over y times xy equals xy over y. Cancel the common term y, so the remaining is x. Next is negative 1 half times xy equals negative 1 half xy. So the next one is 1 over x times xy equals xy over x. Cancel the common term x, so the remaining one is y. Next is negative 1 over y times xy equals negative xy over y. Cancel the common term y, so the remaining one is negative x. Next is negative 1 over 6 times xy equals negative 1 over 6 xy. So, after that, combine the answer in its proper form. So, this one, y plus x equals negative 1 half x. So, y minus x equals negative 1/6 xy. So, now let us proceed to let us move to the elimination method. So, in the elimination method, just add these two given. So, y plus x equals negative 1 half xy. Y minus x equals negative 1/6 xy. So, y plus y equals 2y. Then, positive x plus negative x is 0. So, crush out this one. Next is negative 1 half xy plus negative 1/6 xy is equals to negative 2/3 xy. So, 2y equals negative 2/3 xy. So, let us divide both sides y. So, 2 is equals to negative 2/3 x. Then, divide both sides by negative 2/3. So, the remaining one is x equals to 2 over negative 2/3 or 2 over 1 times negative 3 over 2, which is x is equals to negative 3. So, now let's proceed to the y. Substitute x equals to negative 3. So, y plus 3 equals negative 1 half xy. So, substitute the value of x, which is negative 3, to the first given, this one. Yes, the given is we remove the fraction. So, y minus 3, which is the x, equals negative 1 half times negative 3, which is the value of x times y. So, y minus 3 equals 3 halves y. So, this is like negative 1 half times negative 3. So, y minus x equals 3 halves y. So, we subtract this one with negative y, yes. Subtract this one with negative y. So, crush out negative y minus y. The remaining one is negative 3. Bring down negative 3. So, 3 halves minus 1. Yes, this one is value of negative y is negative 1y, which is equals to 1 half y. So, negative 3 equals 1 half y. Divide both sides by 1 half. Yes. Crush this out. Then, negative 3 over 1 half, which is negative 3 times 2 over 1. So, the value of y equals negative 6. So, the solution to the system of equation are x equals negative 3. Yes, this one. X equals negative 3 and y is equals to negative 6. So, to check if our solutions are correct, so let's do the checking. So, x is equals to negative 3 and y is equals to negative 6. So, substitute this x and y to the given. Yes, given, this one. So 1 over x plus 1 over y equals negative 1 half. 1 over x, which is negative 3, plus 1 over y, which is negative 6, equals negative 1 half. So this one is, get the LCM of 3 and x, which is 6. So 6 divided by negative 3 times 1, which is negative 2. Then 6 divided by negative 1 times 1, which is negative 1. So negative 2 minus negative 1, which is negative 3 over 6. So let's simplify negative 3 over 6, which is equals to negative 1 half, equals negative 1 half. So this first given is correct. Let's move to the next given, this one. 1 over x minus 1 over y equals negative 1, 6. So 1 over negative 3, the value of x, minus 1 over negative 6, the value of y, equals negative 1, 6. So get the LCM of 3 and 6, which is 6. So 6 divided by negative 3 times 1, which is negative 2. 6 divided by negative 6 times negative 1, which is positive 1. So negative 2 plus 1, which is negative 1 over 6. So negative 1 over 6 equals to negative 1, 6. So the second given is correct. So our solution to the system of equations are correct. Number 2. 2 over x plus 3 over y equals negative 1, 6. 3 over x plus 3 over y equals 1 over 12. So again, this problem is a x and y denominator system of equations. The first thing to do is get rid of the fraction. So to get rid of this one is multiply x and y, the denominator of the given, yes, 1. So x times y equals xy. Then multiply xy to the following fractions, this. So xy times 2 over x is equals to 2xy over x. Cancel the common term x, so the remaining one is 2 over y. Then 3 over y times xy, which is 3xy over y. Cancel the common term y, the remaining term is 3 over x. Negative 1, 6 times xy, which is equals to negative 1, 6 xy. Next one is 3 over x times xy, which is 3xy over x. Cancel the common term x, the remaining term is 3y. Then 3 over y times xy, which is 3xy over y. Cancel the common term y. Then 1 half times xy, which is 1 half xy. Then combine the answers in its proper form, yes, 1. 2y plus 3y equals negative 1, 6y. 3y plus 3x equals 112 xy. So let's proceed to the elimination method. 2y plus 3x equals negative 1, 6, and 3y plus 3x equals 1 half xy. So as you can see in the elimination method, we should eliminate one pair of terms. So I choose 3x, this one. But this one is like having a positive vibe. So we should like multiply this one to negative, so that positive 3x minus 3x is equals to 0. So we should eliminate this one. So I choose negative to multiply this second given. So this one is 2y plus 3x equals 1, 6. Then 3y times negative is negative 3y. Positive 3y times negative, which is negative 3x. 1 half xy times negative, which is negative 1 half xy. So 2y plus negative 3 equals negative y, or negative 1y. So crush this out, we should eliminate this one. So negative 1, 6 plus negative 1 half xy, which is equals to negative 3, 12 xy. So negative y equals negative 3, 12 xy. Divide both sides by y. So the remaining term would be the x1. Crush this out, crush this out. So negative 1 equals negative 3, 12 x. So divide both sides by negative 3 over 12. Crush this out. So x is equals to negative 1 over negative 3 over 12. So negative 1 times 12, which is 12 over 3 divided by 3, so 4. So the value of x, which is equals to 4. So let's proceed to the substitution of the value of x. So let's substitute the value of x in this one. Yes. So 2y plus 3x equals negative 16xy. So the value of x is equals to 4. 2y plus 3 times 4, the value of x equals negative 16 times 4y. So 4 and 6, like we can simplify it by dividing both by 2. So it should look like negative 2/3 y. So 2y plus 3 times 4, which is 12. So 2y plus 12 equals negative 2/3 y. So like what you call that, differentiate. We should like difference negative 2y and negative 2y to the both sides. So eliminate this one, bring down 12, like negative 2/3 minus 2y equals to negative 8/3y. So 12 equals to negative 8/3y, divide both sides by negative 8/3y so that the remaining term would be the y. So y is equals to 12 times negative 3 over 8. So the value of y is equals to negative 9 over 2. So the solution to the system of equation are x is equals to 4 and y is equals to negative 9 over 2. So to check if the solutions are correct, so let's proceed to the checking. So substitute the value of x equals negative 4 and y is equals to negative 9 over 2 to this one. To this given, the problem given of number 2. So first one, 2 over x plus 3 over y equals negative 16. So 2 over 4, value of x, then 3 over negative 9 over 3, the value of y equals negative 16. So, like we can simplify 3 and 9, cancel this out 2, then this one is 3. So it looks like 2/3. So it looks like 2/3 since 2 times 2, which is 4, and then sa baba, which is 3. So 1/2 minus 2/3. So LCM of 2 and 3, which is 6. So 6 divided by 2, which is 3 times 1, 3. Then 6 divided by 3, which is 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. So 3 minus 4 is negative 1 over 6 equals to negative 1 over 6. So this one is correct. So next given is this one. 3x plus 3y equals 1 over 12. So 4 plus 3 over negative 9 over 12 equals 1/2. So 4 minus 2/3. Yes, this one, we simplify this one. So the term would be 2/3. So find the LCM of 4 and 3, which is 12. 12 times 4 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 12 divided by 3, which is 4, times negative 2, which is negative 8. So 9 minus 8 equals 1 over 12. So this one, other one is 1 over 12. So this one is correct. So the solution of the system of equation, x and y, are correct. Number 3 is 1 over x minus 2 over y equals 12 over 35. 3 over x minus 8 over equals 43 over 35. So again, this one is x and y denominator system of equation. So first thing is get rid of the fraction. So multiply x and y, or get the LCM of xy, which is x times y, which is xy. Then multiply the xy to the following fraction. So 1 over x times xy is equals to xy over x. Cancel the common term, the remaining is y. Negative 2 over y times xy, which is negative 2xy over y. Cancel the common term y, the remaining is negative 2x. Then 12 over 35, which times xy is 12 over 35 xy. The next one is 3 over x times 3xy is equals to 3xy over x. Then negative 8 over y times xy, which is negative 8xy over y. Cancel the common term y. The remaining one is negative 8x. Then 43 over 35 times xy, which is 43 over 35 xy. Then combine the answers in its proper form. Y minus 2x equals 12 over 35 xy. Then 3y minus 8x equals to 43 over 35xy. So let's proceed to the elimination method. So to eliminate this one, I choose two terms, which is negative 2x. So this one, like, it should be positive 2x. So I choose a number which is multiplied by 8x. So the result will be positive 2x so that we can eliminate this one. So I choose negative 1/4. So copy this one, then solve this one, multiplied by negative 1/4. So negative 1/4 times 3y, so it's negative 3/4 y. Then negative 1/4 times negative 8x, which is positive 2x. Then 43 over 35 xy times negative 1/4, which is negative 43 over 140 xy. So add this to this one, add. So y plus negative 3/4 y is equals to 1/4 y. Then negative 2x plus positive 2x is 0. So cancel this out, eliminate this one. 12 over 35 plus negative 43 over 140 xy is equals to 1 over 28 xy. So 1/4 y is equals to 128 xy. So divide both sides by y so that the remaining term would be the x. Then cancel this out. So 128x and 1/4 is the remaining one. So divide again both sides by 1 over 28. So x is equals to 1/4 over 128. So it should be 1/4 times 28 over 1. 28 divided by 4 is x is equals to 7. So next one, substitute the value of x, which is 7, to this one. Yes, this one. Y minus 2x equals 12 over 35xy, whereas x is equals to 7. So y minus 2 times 7 equals 12 over 35 times 7y. So y minus 14, yes, 2 times 7, 14. 12 times 7, which is 84 over 35y. So, like, difference both sides by negative 1y. Cancel this out, eliminate this one. So, bring down negative 14. So, 84 over 35 minus negative 1y. It looks like 49. The answer would be 49 over 35y. So, divide both sides by 49 over 35. Cancel this. Y is equals to negative 14 times 35 over 49. So, it should be negative 10. So, the value of y is equals to negative 10. So, the solution of the system of equations are x is equals to 7 and y is equals to negative 10. So, let's do the checking so that to check if our answer is correct. X is equals to 7 and y is equals to negative 10. So, substitute this x and y to this given. Yes, let it is muna siya ang mag-check. So, 1 over x minus 2y is equals to 12 over 35. So, 1 over 7 minus 2 over negative 10 equals 12 over 35. So, like this one, we should 2 over negative 10, like this look like 1/5. So, 1/7 plus 1/5 is equals to 12 over 35. So, get the LCM of 7 and 5 is 35. 35 divided by 7, 5 times 1, 5. Then 35 divided by 5, which is 7 times 1 is 7. So 5 plus 7 is 12 over 35. So this one is correct. Next is 3x minus 8y equals 43 over 35. So 3 over 7 minus 8 over negative 8 over negative 10. So we can simplify this one into 4/5. Yes, divide both sides divide this one by 2 over 2. Looks like 4/5 equals 43 over 35. So 3 over 7 plus 4/5. So get the LCM of 7 and 5, 35. 35 times 35 divided by 7. 5 times 5, 5 times 3, 15. Or 35 divided by 5, 7 times 4 is 28. 15 plus 28 equals 35. So 15 plus 20 equals 43 over 35. So 43 over 35 equals 43 over 35. So our solution to the system of equations are correct. Number 4. 4x minus 3y equals 7 over 2. 5x plus 2y equals 16 over 3. So first thing to do is to get rid of the fraction. So to get rid of the fraction, multiply the denominator xy. X times y equals xy. Then multiply the xy to the following fractions in the given. So 4 over x times xy equals 4xy over x. Negative 3y times xy equals negative 3xy over y. So crush out the common terms. The remaining is 3x. So crush out the common term. The remaining is 4y. So 7 over 2 times xy equals 7 over 2 xy. 5 over x times xy equals 5xy over x. Crush out the common term 5x. So the remaining is 5y. 2 over y times xy equals 2xy over y. So crush out the common term y to the remaining is 2x. 16 over 3 times xy equals 16 over 3xy. So then combine the answer in its proper form. 4y minus 3x equals 7 over 2xy. 5y plus 2x equals 16 over 3xy. So now let us proceed to the elimination method. So look at this one. I choose to eliminate this negative 3x and 2 plus y, but 2 plus y ay 2x is not the factor that would get 0 when it's added to negative 3x. So I choose a number to multiply this 2x to get a positive 3x, then eliminate this one. So I choose 3 over 2. So copy this one, then multiply this one. 3 over 2 times 5y, which is 15 over 2y. 3 over 2 times 2x, which is positive 3x. 3 over 2 times 16 over 3, which is 48 over x over 6xy or 8xy. So after that, add these two. Add. So 4y plus 15 over 2y is equals to 23 over 2y. So negative 3x plus positive 3x is a 0. So eliminate this one, crush out. So 7 over 2 plus positive 48 over 6 or 8xy, yes, this one, much easy, is equals to 23 over 2xy. So 23 over 2y is equals to 23 over 2xy. So divide both sides by y, crush out, y, crush out. So 23 over 2x equals 23 over 2, divide both sides by 23 over 2, crush out, x is equals to 23 over 2 divided by 23 over 2 is equals to 1. So next one is substitute this x is equals to 1 to get the value of y. So we will use this 1. So 4y minus 3x equals to 7 over 2xy, whereas x is equals to 1. So 4y minus 3 times 1, which is negative, 4y minus 3 times 1, which is negative 3. X equals to 7 over 2 times, which is 7 over 2y. Then subtract both sides by negative 4y. They eliminate this one, bring down 3. Then 7 over 2 minus 4y is equals to negative 1/2 y. And negative 3 equals negative 1/2 y. So divide both sides by negative 1/2 to get the y term. So crush this out. Negative 3 times negative 2 over 1, which is y is equals to 6. So the solution to the system of equations are x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 6. So to check if this system of equations are correct, so to check if the solutions are correct, Let's substitute the value of x and y to this one, the given terms. So first, this one, 4x minus 3y equals 7 over 2. So 4 divided by 4 over 1 minus 3 over 6 is equals to 7 over 2. So 4 over 1 is 4. So 3 over 6, like, simplify this one, 1 half. 4 minus 1 half. So, like, get the LCM 2. So 2 divided by 1. 2 times 4, 8. 2 divided by 2, 1. 1 times negative 1, which is negative 1. So 8 minus 1 is equals to 7 over 2. So 7 over 2. This one is correct. Next one is this one. Substitute the value of x and y. 5 plus x plus 2y equals 16 over 3. So 5 over 1 plus 2 over 6 equals to 16 over 3. So 5 over 1 is 5. 2 over 6 is, like, we simplified it, this one, it will get the value of 1/3. So get the LCM of 1 and 3. So 3 divided by 1 is 1 times 5 is 15. 3 divided by 3 is 1 times 1 is equals 1. 15 plus 1 is equals to 16 over 3. So 16 over 3. So it is true or correct. So the solution to the system of equations are correct. 9 over x plus 5 over y equals negative 29 over x. 2 over x minus 4 over y is equals to 7 over 4. So first thing is to get rid the fraction. So multiply the denominator, this one and this one. So x and y, x times y is equals to xy. So this would be the LCM. Then multiply the xy to the following fraction. Yes, this one in the given. This multiply each. So 9x times xy equals to 9xy over x. Crush out the common term. So the remaining is 9y. 5y times xy equals to 5xy over y. So crush out the common term. Negative 29 over 8 times xy equals negative 29 over 8 xy. So 2x times xy is 2xy over x. Crush out common term. The remaining is 2y. So negative 4 over y times xy, which is negative 4xy over y. Crush out the common term y. So the remaining is negative 4x. So 7 over 4 times xy is equals to 7 over 4 xy. So combine the answer in its proper form. Yes, 9y plus 5x equals to negative 29xy. 2y minus 4x equals to 7 over 4 xy. So let's proceed to the elimination method. So as you can see to this given, like, yeah, I used to eliminate in the center, which is the value of x. But as you can see, positive 5x minus 4x is, like, we cannot eliminate this one. So I choose a number to get this negative 4x to be negative 5x. So I choose 5 over 4 to multiply this one to get negative 5x. So copy this one. Then multiply this to this is, yes, each of it. Then 5 over 4 times 2 is equals to 10 over 4y. Then 5 over 4 minus 4x is equals to negative 5x. Then 7 over 4xy times 5 4 is equals to 35 over 16xy. So 9y plus 8 plus 10 over 4y is equals to 23 over 2y. So crush this out or eliminate this one since it's equal to 0. Then negative 29 over 8 plus positive 35 over 16xy, like this one, is equals to negative 23 over 16xy. So 23 over 2y is equals to negative 23 over 16xy. So divide both sides by y, then crush this out so that the remaining will be the x. So then negative 23 over 16, then 23 over 2. So divide both sides by negative 23 over 16. Crush it out. So x is equals to 23 over 2 divided by 23 over 16, or 23 over 2 times negative 16 over 23, which is x is equals to negative 8. after getting the value of x, so let us substitute this x to the following terms, this one, so that we can get the value of y. So 9y plus 5x equals negative 29 over x, 29 over 8 xy, whereas x is equals to negative 8. So 9y plus 5 times negative 8 equals negative 29 over 8 times negative 8y. So like crush this out. So 29 times negative, which is positive 29x, 5 times negative 4, which is negative 40. So subtract, excuse me, subtract this one, this both negative 9y, so that we can eliminate negative 9y. So bring down negative 40. 29 minus 9 is equals to 20y. So negative 40 equals 20y. So divide both sides by 20 like this. So y is equals to negative 40 over 20 is equals to negative 2. So the solution to the system of equations are x is equals to negative 8 and y is equals to negative 2. So to check if our solutions are correct, so let us substitute the value of x and y to the given. So this first one. 9 over x plus 5y equals negative 29 over 8. So 9 over negative 8 plus 5 over negative 2 equals negative 29 over 8. So get the LCM of 8 and 2, 8. So 8 divided by negative 8, 1 times 9, 9, negative 9. 8 divided by negative 2, 4, 4 times 5 is negative 20. So negative 9 minus negative 20 equals to negative 29 over 8. So this one is correct. Is equal, so it is correct. Next one is this. 2 over x minus 4 over y equals 7 over 4. So 2 over negative 8 minus 4 over negative 2 equals 7 over 4. So this one, 2 over negative 8, simplify, it should be negative 1/4 plus 4 divided by negative 2 is positive 2. So 4 and 1 is LCM 4. 4 divided by 4, 1. 1 times negative 1, negative 1. 4 divided by 1, 4 times 2, positive 8. So negative 1 plus 8 is equals to 7 over 4. As you can see, it is correct. So our solution to the system of equation, this one, x is equals to negative 8, y is equals to negative 2 is correct or are correct. Number 6. X over 4 minus y over 3 is equals to 1/4. X over 3 plus y over 4 equals 22 over 5. So now, as you can see in the past numbers, so the denominator are variables, but this one, the denominator are numbers. Although this one is numbers, still we get rid of the fraction, this one, but the LCM would be numbers. Yes? Each given would have LCM. So 4 times 3 is equals to 12. So this one. 3 times 4 is equals to 12. This one. Then multiply 12 to the following fractions in the given. So x over 4 times 12 equals 12x over 4. Then negative y3 times 12, which is negative 12y over 3. 1/4 times 12, which is 3. Then we use this one, 12. X over 3 times 12 is 12x over 4. Then y over 4 times 12 equals negative 12y over 3. Positive 12y over 4. So 22 over 15 times 12, which is 264 over 15. So we simplify this one. So it should be like 12 divided by 4 is 3x. Then minus 12 divided by 3, which is negative 4y. Then 3. Then 12x over 3, which is 12 divided by 3, 4x. 12 divided by 4 is 3y. Then 264, 15. So let us proceed to the elimination method. Again, as you can see, we should eliminate one pair with this one. I choose 3x and 4y. So like to get negative 3 so that it should be eliminated, I like I made a number to multiply this 4 over x to get negative 3x. So it should be negative 3 over 4. Yes, this one. So copy this one. Then multiply negative 3 for this one. So negative 3 4 times 4x is negative 3x. Negative 3 4 times 3 which is negative 9 4y. So negative 3x times 264 50 which is negative 792 over 60. So add this one, this negative 3x plus negative 3x is eliminate this one. Negative 4x minus plus negative 9 over 4y should be negative 25 4y. Then 3 plus negative 792 over 60 is equals to negative 153 over 15. So divide both sides by negative 25 over 4. Crush this out. Y is equals to negative 15315 times 4 over 25 equals to 612 over 375. So simplify by dividing 3 over 3, which is y is equals to 204 over 125. Then, after getting the value of y, so let's proceed to get the value of x. So we will use this one. So 3x minus 4y equals 3, where y is equals to 204 over 125. So 3x minus 4 times 204 over 125, which is negative 816 over 125 equals 3. So 3x minus 816 over 125 equals t. So transpose 816 over 125 to the other side. It will become 3x is equals to 3 plus 816 over 125. So 3x 375 plus 816 over 125 is equals to 1191 over 125. So divide both sides by 3. So x is equals to 1191 over 125 times 1/3. X is equals to 397 over 125. So our solution to the system of equation are x is equals to 397 over 125 and y is equals to 204 over 125. So let us proceed to the check if our solutions are correct. So substitute the value of x and y to this one. Yes. So x plus x over 4 minus y over 3 equals 1/4. So 397 over 125 over 4 minus 204 over 125 over 3 equals 1/4. So like simplify this one, it will become 68 over 125. So 397 over 500 minus 68 over 125. So get the LCM of this one, 500. So 397 minus 272 is equals to 125 over 500. So simplify, it will become 1/4 is equals to 1/4. Next is x over 3 plus y over 4 equals 22 over 15. So 397 over 125 over 3 plus 204 over 125 over 4 equals 22 over 15. So this one is 397 over 365. Then this one is 51 over 125. So get the LCM of 375 and 125 which is 375. Then 397 plus 150 is equals 550 over 375. Then simplify this one. 22 over 15 is equals to 22 over 15. So our solution to the system of equations are correct or true. Number 7. X over 2 plus y over 3 equals 55 over 6. X over 3 plus y over 5 equals 22 over 15. First thing to do is to get rid of the fraction, this one. So to get rid of the fraction, multiply the denominator 2 and 3, which is 6, and 3 and 5, which is 15. So then multiply the numbers, multiply 6 to the following fraction and 15 to the following fraction. So x over 2 times 6 equals 3x, then y over 3 times 6 equals 2y. 55 over 6 times 6 equals 330 over 6, or 55. X over 3 times 15 equals 5x. Y over 5 times 15 equals 3y. Then 22 over 15 times 15 equals 330 over 15, or 22. Now, let us proceed to the elimination method. As you can see, I usually eliminate these two, which is the value of x, but as you can see, 3x and 5x is not compatible. So, I find a number to multiply 5x that to get negative 3x, so that 3x plus negative x will become 0 and it could be eliminated. So, I choose negative 3/5 to multiply this one and this one. So, copy this one. Then, negative 3/5 times 5x equals negative 3x. Then, negative 3/5 times 3y, which is negative 9/5 over y. 22 times negative 3/5 equals negative 66 over 5. So, 3x plus negative 3x equals 0. So, eliminate this one. Crush out. Positive 2y plus negative 9/5 equals 1/5 y. Then, 55 plus negative 66 over 5 equals 209 over 5. So, 1/5 y equals 209 over 5. So, divide both sides by 1/5. Crush this out. The y is equals to 200 over 5 over 1/5, or 209 over 5 times 5 over 1. Whereas y is equals to 209. So, as after getting the value of 9, now we should get the value of x. So, substitute y to this one. Yes. 3x plus 2y equals 55, where y is equal to 209. So, 3x plus 2 times 209 equals 55. 3x plus 409 equals 55. Then, substitute 418 to the other side. It will become negative 418. So, 3x is equals to 55 minus 418. So, 300 is equals to negative 363. Then, divide both sides by 3. Crush this out. So, x is equals to negative 121. So, the solution of the system of equations are y is equals to 209 and x is equals to negative 121. So, to check if our solution to the system of equation are correct, so let us proceed to the checking this one. So, x is equals to negative 121 and y is equals to 209. So, substitute this one to this one. First is this one. So, x over 2 plus y over 3 equals 55 over 6. Whereas, x is equals to negative 121 over 2 plus 209 over 3. So, get the LCM, let the LCM of 2 and 3, 6. The 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3 times 121 equals negative 363. Then 6 divided by 3 equals 2 times 209 equals 418. So, negative 363 plus 418 is equals to 55 over 6. 55 over 6 is equals to 55 over 6. So, this one is correct, true. Let's proceed to the other one. So, x over 3 plus y over 5 equals 22 over 15. So, negative 121 over 3 plus 209 over 5. So, get the LCM of 3 and 5, which is 15. 15 divided by 3, 5. 5 times negative 121 equals negative 605. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. 3 times 109 equals 627. Then, negative 605 plus 627 equals 22 over 15. So, this one, 22 over 15, is correct. So, our solution to the system of equation where x is equals to negative 121 and y is equals to 209 are correct. Number 8, x plus 1 over 5 plus y over 2 equals 1. So x minus 1 over 3 minus y over 7 equals 1. So first thing to do is to get rid of this fraction. So to get rid of this one, like multiply the denominator 5 and 2, which is 10, and 3 over 3 and 7, which is 21. So 10, then multiply the LCM 10 to this one, the LCM 21 to this one. So first 10. So 10 x plus 1 over 5 times 10 is 10x plus 10 over 5. So y over 2 times 10 equals 10y over 2, and 10 times 1 is 10. Next one is x minus 1 over 3 times 21 is equals to 21x minus 21 over 3. Y over 7 times 21 is equals to 21y over 7. Then 21 times 1 is equals to 21. So for this one, let's simplify this one. So 10x plus 10 over 5 is equals to 2x plus 2. 10y over 2 is equals to 5y, then 10. 21x minus 21 over 3 is equals to 7x minus 7. Then 21y over 7 is equals to 3y, then copy 21. So let's arrange this one. So 2x plus 5y equals to 2x plus 5y, then 2 is equals to 10. So this 2 is like we transpose this to the other side. So let us arrange this one. So 2x plus 5y plus 2 equals 10. So transpose 2 and it become negative 2. So 10 minus 2 is equals 8. Then 7x plus 3y minus 7. So transpose negative 7 to the other side. 21. So it will be 21 plus 7. So it will become positive 7. So 21 plus 7 equals to 28. Now let us proceed to the elimination method. So copy this one. So as you can see, 2x and 7x is not compatible to eliminate. So we should find a number to multiply 7x and it will become negative 2x so that it can be eliminated. So I choose negative 2 over 7. So copy this one. So negative 2 over 7 times 7x is equals to negative 2x. So negative 2 over 7 times 3y is equals to negative 6 over 7y. Then negative 2 over 7 times 28, it is negative 56 over 7. So 2x plus negative 2x is 0. So eliminate this one. 5y plus negative 6 over 7y is equals to 29 over 7y. Then 8 plus negative 56 over 7 is 0. So 29 over 7 is y equals 0. So divide both sides by 29 over 7. Crush this out. So y is equals to 0. So after finding the y, we should find the value of x. So let's substitute the value of y to this one. I know to this one. So 2x plus 5y equals 8, whereas y is equals to 0. So 2x plus 5 times 0 equals 8. So 2x 0 plus is equals 8. So 2x is equals 8. Divide both sides by 2. So x is equals to 4. So the solution to the system of equation are x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 0. So let's check. Let's do the checking if our solution are correct. So substitute the value of x and y to this one. So first is this. X plus y over 5 plus y over 2 is equals 1. So 4 plus y over 5 plus 0 over 2 is equals 1. So 5 over 5 or 1. Then 0, crush this out. Equals 1. So 1 is equals to 1. So this one is correct. Next one, this. X minus 1 equals 3 minus y over 7 equals 1. So 4 minus 1 equals 3 minus 0 over 7 equals 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 over 3 equals 1. Crush this out. So 1 is equals to 1. So this one is correct also. So our solution to the system of equation are correct. Number 9. X over 6 plus y minus 1 over 5 equals negative 1 half. X over 3 plus y plus 4 over 8 equals 1. So first thing is get rid of the fraction again. So multiply the denominator 6 and 5 which is 30, then 3 and 8 which is 24. So in 30, like multiply 30 to the following fraction, this one, and for 24 to this one. So x over 6 times 30 equals 30x over 6. Then y minus 1 equals over 50 times 30 equals 30. Y minus 30 over 5. Then negative 1 half times 30 equals negative 30 over 2. Then x over 3 times 24 equals 24x over 3. Y plus 4 over 8 times 24 equals 24y plus 96 over 8. Then y times 24 equals 24. So let us simplify this one. So 30x over 6 equals 5x. 30y minus 30 over 5 equals 6y minus 6. Then negative 30 over 2 equals to negative 15. Then next one, 24x over 3 is 8x. 24y plus 96 over 8 is 3y plus 12. Then copy 24. Now let us arrange this one. 5x plus 6y minus 6 equals negative 15. So transpose 6 to the other one, it will become positive. So negative 15 plus 6 or negative 9. Then so 8x plus 3y plus 12. So transpose 12 to the other side, it will become negative 12. So 24 minus 12 equals 12. So let's proceed to the elimination method. So usually I eliminate 5x and the other one, but since it is 8x, so let us find a number that multiply 8x and I will get negative 5x so that it will be eliminated. So I choose negative 5 over 8. So copy this one. Negative 5 over 8 times 8x is equals negative 5x. Negative 5x. Negative 5 over 8 times 3y, which is negative 15 over 8y. Then 12 times negative 5 over 8 is negative 15 over 2. So let us add this one. 5x plus negative 5x is 0, so eliminate this one. Then 6y plus negative 15 over 8y is equals 33 over 8y. Then negative 9 plus negative 15 over 2 is negative 33 over 2. So divide both sides by 33 over 8. Crush this out. Y is equals to negative 33 over 2 over 33 over 8. So negative 33 over 2 times 8 over 33 is equals to y is equals to negative 4. So after getting the y, we should get the value of x. So substitute the value of y to this one. So 5x plus 6y equals negative 9, whereas y is equals to negative 4. So 5x plus 6 times negative 4 equals negative 9. So 5x minus 24 equals negative 9. So transpose negative 24 to the other side, it will become positive 24. So 5x is equals to negative 9 plus 24, 15. So 5x equals 15. Divide both sides by 5. X is equals to 15 over 5 is 3. So our solution to the system equation are x is equals to 3 and y is equals to negative 4. So to check if our solutions are correct, let's do the checking and substitute the value of x and y to this one. First is this. X over 6 plus y minus 1 over 5 equals negative 1 half. So 3 over 6 plus negative 4 minus 1 equals 5 equals negative 1 half. So, but 3, 6 equals to 1 half. Then negative 4 minus 1 is equals to negative 5. And divide 5 is equals to negative 1. So, get the LCM 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 2 times 1 is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. So 1 minus 2 is equals to negative 1 over 2. So it is equals to negative 1 over 2. So the first one is correct or true. Let's proceed to this one. X over 3 plus y plus 4 over 8 equals 1. So 3 over 3 plus negative 4 plus 4 equals 8. So 3 over 3 is equals to 1. Negative 4 plus 4 equals like negative 8 divided by 8 is 0. So 1 plus 0 equals 1. So 1 is equals to 1. So our solution to the system of equations x is equals 3 and y is equals to negative 4 are correct. Over 10, x plus 5 over 7 plus y minus 3 over 2 equals 1. X plus 2 over 5 plus y minus 2 over 4 equals negative 2. So first thing is get rid of the fraction. So let's do the LCM. So 7 times 2 equals 14 and 5 times 4 equals 20. So 14 multiply to the following fraction, this one, and 20 to this one. So 14 times x plus 5 over 7 equals 14x plus 70 over 7. 14 times y minus 3 over 2 equals 14y minus 42 over 2. Then 14 times 1 equals 14. So next is 20. X plus 2 over 5 times 20 equals 20x plus 40 over 5. Y minus 2 over 4 times 20 equals 20. Y minus 40 over 4. Then 20 times negative 2 equals negative 40. So simplify this one. It will become 2x plus 10 plus 7y minus 21 equals 14. Then 4x plus 8 plus 5y minus 10 equals negative 40. Then arrange 2x plus 7y plus 10 minus 21 equals 14. Then 4x plus 5y plus 8 minus 10 equals negative 40. So let's solve for this one. 2x plus 7y 10 minus 21 equals negative 11. Transpose, it will become 14 plus 11 or 25. 4x plus 5y, then 8 minus 10 equals negative 2. Transpose equals negative 40 plus 2 or negative 38. So let's do the elimination method. Usually, I eliminate 2x and 4x. Since this one cannot be eliminated, I find a number so that will multiply to 4x and the result will become negative 2x. So that 2x plus negative 2x is 0 and it will become eliminated. So I choose negative 1 half. So copy this one. So negative 1 half and solve to this one. Solve this one. Negative 1 half times 4x is equals negative 2x. So negative 1 half plus 5y is equals to negative 5 over 2y. Then negative 1 half times negative 38 is equals to 19. Then do the addition. 2x plus negative 2x is equals to 0. So eliminate this one. Then 7y plus negative 5 over 2y is equals to 9 over 2y. Then 25 plus 19 is equals to 44. Divide both sides by 9 over 2. So y is equals to 44 times 2 over 9 is equals to y is equals to 88 over 9. Since we all know the value of y, so let's find the value of x. So substitute the value of y to this one. Yes, this one. So 2x plus 7y equals 25 whereas y is equals to 88 over 9. So 2x plus 7 times 88 over 9 equals 25. So 2x plus 616 over 9 equals 25. Transpose this one, it will become negative 616 over 9. So 2x equals 25 minus 616 over 9. The result is 225 minus 616 over 9. So 225 minus 616 is negative 391 over 9. Divide both sides by 2. X is equals to negative 391 over 9 times 1 half. So x is equals to negative 391 over 18. So our solution to the system of equation are x is equals to negative 391 over 18 and y is equals to 88 over 9. So let's do the checking if our solution to the system of equation are correct. So substitute the value of x and y to this one. First, x plus 5 over 7 plus y minus 3 over y equals 1. So negative 391 over 18 plus 5 over 7 plus 88 over 9 minus 3 over 2 equals 1. So the answer to this one is negative 43 over 18 and this one is positive 61 over 18. Since the both denominator are the same, so combine this one. So negative 43 plus 61 is 18. So 18 over 18 is 1. So this one is true. Next, x plus 2 over 5 minus y minus 2 over 4 equals negative 2. So negative 391 over 18 plus 2 over 5 minus 88 over 9 minus 2 over 4. So the answer this one is negative 71 over 18 and this one is 35 over 18. So combine this one. So negative 71 minus 35 is negative 36 over 18, which is negative 2 equals negative 2. No, this one is positive. So this one is negative 2 equals negative 2. So our solution to the system of equation x is equals to negative 391 over 18 and y is equals to 88 over 9 are correct.